Hello, welcome back to Adobe Tutorials. This tutorial will cover how to discover new products to add to your online store. After login, you will be directed to your Adobe dash. Here on the left navigation bar, click Search Product. On our search page, you'll be able to find products to sell. You can search for products based on different keywords or categories. If you want to be more specific, you can also search by inventory, price range, or country of origin. For example, we will search for a necklace. Here you will see all available products with a drop shipping price. Click a product to see its details. Here you will find important information that suppliers provide, such as variants, current inventory, and shipping methods. Upon deciding on a product, simply click the Add to Import List button to save the product. Next, we'll move on to connecting your store to Adobe, which enables our automation features.